Thursday in London with our recognition editorial team at DSEI 2021 Defense Exhibition. We'll supply you every day brand new items showing on our Defense Web TV and our website. In spite of the pandemic, a lot of exhibitors coming from various parts of the world have gathered, and we'll show you stunning things along these forthcoming days.
Hi, I'm Ed Dryden. I'm the Vice President of Actuation at Collins Aerospace. We're part of Raytheon Technologies. We're predominantly headquartered from the UK, but within actuation we have sites in the UK, France, Italy, the US and Canada. We make products for a wide range of aerospace and defence. We work on primary actuation, which is predominantly on civil aircraft, but also some defence. We also have secondary flight control systems. We then have weapon systems, whether they're weapon bay door, or we also work on things like future vertical lift and helicopters, also on missile actuation. We also have a large piece of work around nacelles and the moving of nacelles. Then we also have a composites business, which works on a whole range of things, from fuel pipes, transmission shafts, etc. Yeah, DSEI, real focus around growing our military business. So historically we had a mixed portfolio between civil and military, but over probably the last 10 years that's become more biased to civil. Well, our strategy for the next 10 years is to really get that balance back and have more of a military position. You know, we already have a strong position on some of the legacy fixed wing fighters in terms of the actuation system, particularly the weapon bay doors. And as we look forward, we see the 6th generation fighters coming on. We're starting to work with a variety of different customers. We're working with BAE on some of the Tempest technologies. But I guess outside of that, we also have a significant footprint around missile actuation. So we're interested in looking at other opportunities with other customers.
My name's Nick Hunter. I'm the Business Development Manager for Rheinmetall Defence Systems in the UK. We have a number of systems on display at the show today. The MOD announced that they would go forward with the Mobile Fires Platform Programme, and that's why we are here showcasing the product that we'll put forward for that programme when it comes to fruition in the later 20s. So it's a 155mm howitzer mounted on a turret, obviously, which is then based on a manned truck built by Rheinmetall. There is a large amount of discussion across the world at the moment as to whether the self-propelled howitzer should be mounted on a track chassis or on a wheeled chassis. We are proposing a wheeled version of it, which will allow more operational mobility when you're looking to transport yourself over greater ranges rather than on a track platform, which is much more expensive in terms of track mile and delivery of your fighting power into the battlefield area. The ammunition handling system within the turret is fully autonomous. So key to the operation of this platform is the fact that you literally only need to load the magazine with both projectiles and with charges, and then it operates automatically from there. So essentially it'll have a number of interesting new autonomous capabilities associated with driving and also operation of the turret, with a 2-man crew residing in the cab and being able to operate the whole system from within the cab from a protected environment.
Hi, I'm Rory Breen. I'm the sales director for RBSL. Behind me you can see the Boxer with the mortar mission module. So the mortar mission module was designed and developed in Telford. It's the first time we've done sort of engineering capability of this kind in the UK for the Boxer, and it's great to have it on the stand. Great collaboration from across Rheinmetall into the UK, really driving sort of engineering and capability in the development of the Boxer. So the British Army have purchased over 500 Boxers. We will see 60% UK content, so we'll be manufacturing those Boxers in the UK. We're looking to start that in the near future. That comes across 4 variants at the moment. We're looking for future variants as well in that. Very exciting program. We see serious opportunity for exports of Boxer from the UK. So it's a really exciting platform. It's a very capable platform, and with the credibility and the stature of the British Army as a customer, we see lots of interest from other nations. Is the UK supply chain engagement, the engagement we're seeing with our apprenticeship program as well. We have over 50 apprentices at the moment. We see huge investment into the UK as well through this program, regenerating a lot of capability in the UK. It's really exciting. The contract that we announced at RBSL in May this year, we will see the conversion of 148 Challenger 2 vehicles to the Challenger 3 configuration. So to do that, what we do is it's a completely new digital turret that we have. We've got the 120mm smooth bore L55A1 weapon from Rheinmetall. We have new sights from Thales, based in Scotland, and a completely new infrastructure inside the turret as well. On top of that, we've got active protection system, new armour solution, and new ammunition solutions as well. So what we're expecting to see is a constant iteration of the Challenger, Challenger 3, as we add and increase the capability through life. We have a contract to look at the integration of an APS system onto the platform at the moment. I can't comment on the Rafael thing, because that is a contract they have with probably the British government. So Challenger 3 is a really capable platform, and with the digital turret, the integration of these technologies